At Coastal Solutions, our engineers customize IT consulting and solutions for your business. We take the time to understand your business needs to implement high-performance systems. In today's world, technology connects us all. This same technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, making it difficult for businesses and IT administrators with limited IT resources to keep up with the latest innovations. Providing rock-solid cybersecurity is even more challenging. Deploying and managing a complex network security product simply isn't an option without help. An honest and reliable service provider is key, and we pride ourselves on being one of the most responsive and professional IT companies in our industry. Schedule your on-site consultation today at 732-349-2340.